Next.
Energy and young legs around him, so the likes of Martial one side, Greenwood the other. $100 million. You know, Pogba's played on that left-hand side. Now,
the same production numbers right now as he managed last season, the whole of the season. A 30-year-old from Crystal Palace. I wondered what...
Benitez on his way out. Manchester United against Everton. Lingard and Donny van der Beek. If there's a winner in this one between...
Gоals, to remember the life and achievement.
Probably a warmer managerial handshake than when Rafa Benitez was last to visit.
Next chapter starts now for Ole Gunnar.
Wan-Bissaka, after his European ban. It's a sweet... Rafa Benitez, Shaw, Fernandes, in goes Shaw and outcome.
And that's the kind of football.
Everton from just down the road, of course. Fernandes let it roll. Fernandes got it back. He's left behind Digne. It's Wan-Bissaka's cross. It's
too easily done. And he's just mistimed. The greatest outing at Aston Villa was response. He's up too early. And you can see...
Held up by Yerry Mina.
Illustrated by the fact...
Yeah. Free again. And Shaw going beyond him. And with Fernandes, welcomed in by Mason Greenwood, who is...
I'm tempted to say Ronaldo, but of course...
Greenwood and his non-selection again for England this week. And here is Selam and Rondon.
But he took way too long to...
There's shaped for Cavani, just a shade too much. McTominay. Quite enough on it for... Dipped in by Dean. Neatly in for Gray. Tamari Gray. Townsend with speed.
Yerry Mina, I guess, was in an offside. That little bit harder for him to redirect where he... The fact that Keane is moving away from...
Sweet ball for McTominay. For Greenwood. Clever change of angle. Now Godfrey can deliver.
Some players would say, no, I'm not right, Gaffer, and they wouldn't play.
In by Fred. Cavani!
Certainly more room between Pickford and his tug the arm. But the Cavani header, look, I suppose, say, from Jordan Pickford, it's textbook in terms of the downward motion. But that's... And maybe that's why you're seeing that.
Gray.
Yeah, missed it.
Coached in by Alan beyond Yerry Mina. McTominay. Wan-Bissaka of fellows of very high standing in the game. The high. Doucouré. Rondon. Good block.
In place it, even side-footed. Taking the touch before he began it all and then queued up Rondon.
Greenwood. Pickford's behind.
And it doesn't matter what side it's on, he can...
Fernandes. Wan-Bissaka's
kick off with sufficient discipline. No.
Anthony Gordon. Rondon let it roll. And Townsend.
By Gordon, you know, he goes past Lindelof with ease.
Look at the way he has restarted in familiar. In by Gordon. A wriggle and gathering speed. Tamari Gray. That's enough.
That and De Gea back where he was on Tamari Gray, who's had a really lively start to the season. He was a bit quick, that boy.
He was. Gordon.
I mean, there isn't, you know...
Who is going into the book? Still has what he started with. Townsend's made a yard. And there's Doucouré.
United threw a lot at them earlier.
In by Martial.